Hi, I'm Honey Bhatnagar, Business Transformation Services, Data and AI Practice Lead within the global Infosys Salesforce practice. Today, I'll explain the game-changing role of data in agentic AI experience and more specifically, Agentforce by Salesforce. How can AI truly transform your business? And how do you ensure it works for you? Let's start with Agentforce. It's taking the world by storm, allowing businesses to embed agentic AI into any application, workflow, or process. Imagine the possibilities. What if you have an assistant for every process and application in your organization which could make intelligent decisions and act dynamically? Sounds powerful, right? But here's the catch. None of this is possible without an effective data strategy. Without the right data structures in place, your AI transformation could stall before it even begins. So what does a strong data strategy look like? And how do you ensure your data is AI ready? At Infosys, we have helped countless customers refine their data strategy. Let's take a look at a real-world example where we helped a technology giant leverage unstructured data to ground a service agent response for a customer query. Here's how it worked. We used a standard data cloud connector and APIs to source unstructured data from AWS. We applied retrieval augmented generation RAG in Data Cloud to index FAQs and billing statements. A prompt template then used the RAG retriever to fetch relevant context, ensuring accurate AI-powered responses. Think about your own business. How are you handling unstructured data? Is it AI ready? When working with the clients, we follow industry best practices for data governance and strategy. Here are some key factors we always consider. Data quality, ensuring completeness, correctness, and clarity, the 3 C's. Master data management versus unified customer identity in CRM. Which approach fits your business? Data governance and architecture maturity curve. Understanding where you stand and where you need to go in terms of your data. System and integration landscape. How do your existing systems interact with AI-driven processes? Data storage, backup, and archival. Making sure your data is not just available, but also secure and accessible. This is where Infosys comes in. With Data Catalyst, our accelerator for comprehensive data management, we help organizations extract, validate, transform, and harmonize their data into Data Cloud. This ensures that Agentforce has everything it needs to generate accurate responses and actionable insights. No matter your industry, manufacturing, telecom, financial services, healthcare, and beyond, we have deep expertise in leading Data Cloud and Agentforce implementations that drive real business growth.